Whānau means happiness, it means love.
Not just blood whānau. Whānau is people in our communities, people that we engage with. People know who to go to for support.
It could be a kaupapa whānau, which is a dance crew, a touch team.
Whānau are the people that you can go to when you need support, when things aren't going right. You know, it's your whānau that can pick you up and uplift you. The whakatauki for Te Kaha o Te Rangatahi is to enhance the well-being of rangatahi to grow, develop and prosper. Kia whakapūmautia te oranga o te rangatahi, kia hua, kia tupu, kia puawai.
They have the right tools through our organisation as Te Kaha o Te Rangatahi to go out into the community and feel like they're a leader, feel like they're heard, feel like they have a place within our community.
To ensure that all rangatahi are I3, which is I have, I am, I can. I have resource, I am who I am, and I can be whatever I want to be. Hashtag Talk to Me was a funded program by Te Puni Kōkiri that allowed our organisation to support rangatahi around suicide prevention, encouraging rangatahi to reach out and talk to their peers, to their whānau, to anybody that they need support from. It's a 12-week hip-hop program that was developed by our 3 choreographers.
It brings kids that don't really have the opportunity to go into companies to come into a whānau that has no fees and just come and dance for the fun of it.
We would teach the students different dance pieces that could connect them to different emotions like lack of confidence, depression and so on, which would then give the kids a positive outlet that they could express these emotions through dance and movement.
We had a showcase at the end of the 12-week production, and it showed how our rangatahi see the effects of suicide and how it affects them.
Their way of tackling this massive topic of suicide. They were able to get a t-shirt that said hashtag Talk to Me on it, free workshops as well from their choreographers. So everything was free. All they needed was their dedication to the program.
Explores the elements of performing arts, expressing the importance of asking for support whenever you are feeling down.
Reach out to others who are going through suicidal thoughts.
And I did spot a few people in the audience becoming like emotional because they were connecting. So I think the Talk to Me showcase was effective.
I saw that their confidence was boosted up by the end of the program. I saw that they made more friends through this program, and yeah, they just had a blast performing at the showcase.
Rangatahi play a huge part within Te Kaha o Te Rangatahi. They are part of the co-design and development of services and resources within our organisation. We have a rangatahi leadership group called Te Angitu. They're a leadership group that come on site once a week and they talk about issues that concern them in our community.
And the aim of that leadership program was to build champions in the community.
That leadership group helped me build my leadership skills, also helped me gain my confidence.
I take advice from our rangatahi who are out in the community. You know, they're in the schools, they're in their community, they're at the marae. They tell us, actually, whaia, that doesn't work, this will work, and this is where we should go.
Everything that we do, we got to make sure that it's run through our rangatahi. We need the relevant information from our rangatahi so that we can better our organisation.
The culture that we build at Te Kaha o Te Rangatahi is that everyone is whānau and we treat them more like whānau.
We've got from our rangatahi age or taiohi age all the way up to our nans that are a part of the organisation. It is dynamic, it is fun, but also serious and loving and caring. So it's not just whānau in the sense of a kaupapa, but it's also whānau as in that's my mum, that's my auntie, that's my nan.
I highly hold Kaha o Te Rangatahi Trust as a whānau. They've been supporting me ever since I was 10 years old, all the way up until I'm 19 now, and they've been there every step of the way.
They were always like a support system for me, and I'd go to them for anything that I'd need in terms of advice, even helping for my homework, and they also helped me get to university.